Please install the propellers in correspondence with Propeller A and Propeller B as shown above. Every propeller has indicated alpha, beta, and B. Loosen the screws to remove the propeller. Fit the spare propeller into the drone. Tighten the screws. If the propellers is incorrectly installed, drones can take off in time and space. Always use the supplied USB cable to charge the battery. The green light will turn on when the charge is complete. Full charge time is about 150 minutes. Always use the supplied USB cable to charge the remote control. Lights go out automatically when fully charged.